Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making some Cajun chicken pasta. If you're interested, then keep on watching. First, in a pot filled with water, I am adding about a teaspoon of salt. I am going to cover it and allow it to come to a boil. After, I am going to add about 2 cups of pasta. Let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, then drain the water and set it aside. So guys, these are the chicken breasts that I will be using today. First, I am going to go ahead and use a meat tenderizer to flatten the meat a bit so that it takes less time to cook. I am going to go ahead and season my chicken breast, and I will be using some garlic powder, onion powder, red crushed pepper, paprika, lemon pepper, Cajun seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and some parsley flakes. I will be leaving the measurement down below in the description box. Guys, I am just adding some olive oil on the chicken so that the seasoning can stick to it better. Next, I will be using some Italian style chicken sausage, and I will be cutting it into small pieces. Guys, I am about to show you all the ingredients that I will be using today to make this recipe. To cook the chicken, I am going to drizzle some olive oil in a pot on low to medium heat. I am going to allow the chicken to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or you can cook it to your desired liking. In the same pot, I will be cooking the sausage on low to medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. In the same pot, I will be adding about 2 tablespoons of butter, and I am going to allow it to melt. Guys, you can change the pot if you so desire, but I am just using the same pot because it's already infused with the flavor. Next, I am going to add some chopped bell peppers, onions, minced garlic, and some garlic paste, and I am going to allow that to saute for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I am adding 2 cups of heavy cream. I am going to stir that well and allow it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I am adding 1 cup of chicken broth, cream cheese, and Parmesan cheese to make it extra creamy. I am adding some all-purpose seasoning for flavor. Guys, now is the perfect time to taste and adjust your sauce to your liking. Next, I am going to go ahead and add the pasta to the sauce. I am adding some finely shredded Parmesan cheese and some grated Parmesan cheese to make it extra cheesy. I am adding the sausage and the chicken that I cooked earlier, and I am going to stir it well. Guys, just take a look at that pasta. It tasted so delicious. It was so good. It is to die for. Guys, I hope you give this recipe a try. I am going to add some shredded Parmesan cheese and some parsley flakes to add that little razzle-dazzle, you feel me? I just love to be a little bit extra. Guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, bye.